outfit on my screen. Can you wear this outfit? And if you can, where are you going to wear this outfit to? Let me know in the comment section. So today I'm going to be elevating this look and make it look more appropriate, because in my own opinion, it is not appropriate. Do you agree with me? Let me know in the comment section. Welcome back, ladies. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, we are going to be elevating the most simplest and very simple trick to elevate a sheer outfit and make it more appropriate, make it more appealing to the eyes than being naked. Yes, that's just the word I can use. I can't use any other word than that, because this is so revealing. Like, you can practically see everything out there. So I have the outfit here. I just purchased it just to create this video, and I'm going to be using this outfit because I love the pattern, I love the design. The only thing is that it's just like you're walking naked on the street. So this is the outfit that I'm talking about. You all have seen the picture. It came with this underpants, though they expected more to wear this and go about on the streets with a dress. I mean, that's the design. Some people will like it, but it is not my own way of styling. I will wear bikini, of course, not on the street and the beach or at the pool, right? Yes. So this is the dress. It's sheer, it's transparent. I just love the design, and I love the mock neck design that it has. This dress is from Fashion Nova. It's been a while I purchased from them, but for some reason I just feel like, let me patronize them again. It's been like forever. So it's a little bit stretchy, and it has this hidden zip at the back. Remember, this is not sponsored. The only reason why I purchased this outfit is just for me to show you how you can elevate your sheer dress, or outfits, and make it more appropriate and make it more sophisticated. That's my name. Yeah, I like to use that a lot. Anyway, ladies, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn.
Ladies, if you're still watching this video up until this time, please do not forget to leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video, and please do endeavor to share this video with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find it educative, entertaining, or informative. And please, if you're just coming across this channel for the very first time, do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video.
And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me.
Ladies, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.